Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Uzo Kalu and I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger. I'm going to put the link of my blog down below in this video, so please go check it out. Yeah, it's funny how I started this channel before my blog, and my blog is over a year now. So yeah, I think some things just happened and I couldn't make any videos. Plus I was a bit shy, like I was very skeptical about how people was going to see me and whether I would do, like, whether people want to subscribe to my channel. So I just decided to do the blog instead. At least I know that one, even if I don't show my face, nobody will beat me or kill me. Yeah, so I'm glad I'm starting this channel. I'm posting this video up today, starting this channel, yeah, eventually. And it's going to be basically makeup tutorials, vlogs, DIYs. Yes, I love doing DIYs. You should totally check out my article. I was featured in Bella Ninja Style. I'll also link that somewhere here or here. I was also featured as one of the 10 DIY bloggers to watch out for in 2018. So you snooze, you lose, boo. Yes, I filmed this look and I didn't film an intro for this look. How dumb of me. But yeah, so this is the look I'm doing. So if you would like to see how I achieved it, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my other social media platforms. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos,
whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. On your own. spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Wow. Yeah, yeah. On your own. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. So I